got a very important message to tell you, and it's very important. So I want you to realize that it's important. And so if you have a little difficulty understanding what I'm saying, well, I will interpret it. Now, did you get all of that? Here's the interpretation of what I just said. Now, the Clubhouse for Special Needs is an amazing place. Seriously, sometimes it is difficult to understand what somebody is saying behind the mask. So don't be afraid to say, could you repeat that, please? But also, please leave your mask on when you're going to repeat it. These are difficult times, and I understand that. And please be aware of not only if you don't want to wear a mask, remember that other people may prefer that you use a mask. There have been times when I'm very fussy, I wear a mask. But there are times when I'm tired of trying to breathe through this thing. And it's hard. It's very hard. But don't be afraid to ask the other person, would you mind if I lower my mask? Don't be afraid to ask. All they could do is say yes, or they could say no. It's totally up to them. And just remember that wearing the mask, in my opinion, isn't sufficient safety. However, it's something, and it will make you feel a little better wearing it. So I just got on for a few minutes just to talk because I'm, like most of you, cooped up in your house, and that makes it interesting. So whoever is watching this, I would love to have you let me know. And feel free to share with others if you want this message, because it is important to realize why you wear a mask. It's not just to protect you, it's to protect the other person that you might sneeze all over. Okay, so let's be aware of others and not so much centered around ourselves. So I just wanted to take a minute to go live, and hopefully you understood every word I said. Interpretation. I hope you understood every word I said. This is Darlene, founder, president of the Clubhouse for Special Needs, signing off for the Clubhouse for Special Needs. Oh, and by the way, we are going to be building this huge place. It's 3 times the size of the clubhouse that was on Harwood. 3 times that size. Do you know how big that is? And we believe that our clubbers will appreciate this new building and be so proud. And be sure that everybody shares and lets everybody know, okay? And then we're not reopened right now, and that's because of all the people out there that and don't do it behind a mask. Be aware, folks. And I'm just being funny, I know, but I hope that you take me a little seriously, in that if you don't want to wear a mask, that's your privilege. But please, please, please consider the other people that you are coughing all over without a mask. Okay, and it only takes 1 minute to so I know I'm being silly, but I'll stop being silly and move on. And hopefully anyone who watches this later will understand. Hello, Gonzalo Lopez, Armesto Lopez is watching. Sorry if I messed up your names too much. But I don't know. I think I'm going to go on here for one more minute, and then I'm going to move on, because I just want people to realize the severity of this virus, no matter what your opinion may be. I'm not asking you to change your opinion. What I am asking is that you respect those that really want you to have a interpretation, that we all respect those that need you to wear that mask, okay? I don't know what else to say, except that everybody, you have a great day. Feel free to share this, and all is good. Thank you, Lopez family, for watching, and feel free to share it, and hopefully the world out there will understand the importance of why you are wearing a mask, whether you like it or not. Have a good day.